Hey guys, welcome back. On this episode of Unusual Foods, we'll be taking a look at the Thai Dragon chili pepper. The Thai Dragon chili pepper clocks in around 50,000 up to 100,000 Scoville on the Scoville unit scale on its spiciness. So in comparison, on a previous episode, we took a look at the lemon drop pepper, which burned my mouth pretty nicely, and I can't take heat that well. This little guy here, lemon drop pepper, this thing was delicious, but it was very hot. And apparently the Thai Dragon is 3 times hotter than this. So this is gonna be interesting. And while I'm showing you the lemon drop pepper, I might as well show you this massive carrot I just pulled out of my garden. By the time this Thai Dragon video is online, I've already made a video of this you can check out. I have multiple carrots like this. You can see where what the soil level was on this. Anyways, so the Thai Dragon chili pepper, it seems that the ripeness, sometimes they're solid green, sometimes they turn red, or a mixture of both. I don't really know a lot about this pepper right now. Yeah, I know it's hot, and I know that it takes around 3 months to grow this thing. I just pulled it off of my plant. First off, I have one that's already cut in half here. I'm going to try a piece without the seeds, and then I'll just bite into it and let all of you laugh at me when my mouth burns. So these things, wow, this thing is just packed full of seeds. See if I can catch this on my second camera here. It's just full of seeds, which is why it's so hot. Often all the heat is in the seeds, if you didn't know. So if you have like a jalapeno and you take all the seeds out, often it won't be spicy or not that spicy. And I'm noticing I cut my thumb today, and touching the inside of this pepper to my cut is not a good idea. I'd have a tiny piece here. So right away, a very deep, earthy, peppery taste. Rub it on my tongue a bit. Yeah, not spicy at all. You can tell it's like, it's been sitting against a spicy seed. It has that kind of earthy flavor that peppers have, or hot peppers have, but when you don't have the seed in there. So I'm gonna just take a bigger bite now. So this whole piece, no seeds. See a little more juice in there to get more of the flavor. Okay, so there's some spice in there. You know, not breaking the bus here, but yeah, there's a bit of heat there. Let's see how many seeds in here. Oh, there's not many in there. Let's just bite into this one. Oh yeah, there's seeds in there. The flavor is very nice. It's like a really, really fresh. It's weird. The juice, ooh, it's hot. The juice is really fresh and light. The pepper is very rich, earthy taste. So you get this weird symbiotic mix of freshness and earthiness. I'm gonna bite the whole rest of this. You can see it's full of seeds. It's full of seeds. Oh. Woo! Woo! All right, it's time to wrap this up. So if you like hot peppers, this is a great one. The flavor is actually the flavor is very delicious. It does taste very good. It's just very, very hot. If you just remove the seeds and eat it, it tastes really good. You might be wondering, what am I gonna do with this? I'm actually gonna make hot sauce. So, yeah, okay, that's if you like the video, push the thumbs up button and all that riffraff down on the bottom. Subscribe and bell and all that. Yeah, subscribe, like the video. Until the next one, have a great day.